Hello! I'm Elizabeth from the Austin Nature and Science Center. Do you like to play with Play-Doh? I know I do. It's one of my favorite things. I am going to show you how you can make Play-Doh at your own house with things you can find in your kitchen. Let's do it!
You'll need some flour, salt, vegetable oil, lemon juice, hot water. I use my kettle, but you could heat it on the stove too. A cup and 1/4 of a cup measuring scoop, a tablespoon, a large bowl, a spoon, and optionally some essential oils and food coloring.
The first step is to measure out a cup of flour.
Add it to your bowl, then measure out 1/4 a cup of salt. Mix these dry ingredients together, then put them to the side. Now measure out 3/4 of a cup of hot water and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now is time to add optionally food coloring or essential oils or extracts like vanilla. Slowly add the hot liquids to the dry ingredients as you mix. Once everything has mixed together as a dough, you can add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Notice how our mixture has changed. It is no longer rough like salt, powdery like the flour, or liquid like the water. The ingredients have mixed together to make something entirely new. Now, the dough will be very, very sticky at this point, so let it sit for a while and it will thicken up. Once the dough has had time to rest, it's time to knead. To knead is to mix and work the dough with our hands. My dough was still pretty sticky, so I needed to add some more flour. Add a pinch or 2 at a time as needed. This is a great way to build the small muscles in our hands, so keep kneading. Some friends might not like the feeling of the sticky dough, so feel free to wear plastic gloves during this step. Once the dough has a nice texture, you can play with it.
When I play with Play-Doh, I like to use loose parts. This could be sticks or leaves, nuts, rocks or shells, or you could use things like pipe cleaners, pom-poms, or toothpicks. I think I'm gonna make some faces today with my Play-Doh, but you can make whatever you can imagine. That's my favorite thing about Play-Doh, is that we each can make different things with the same materials.
What can you create with Play-Doh and loose parts? Can you make a funny face or some crazy hair? Maybe you could invent a creature.
Have fun playing with your Play-Doh, and thanks for joining me. Check out our Facebook page for more videos from the Austin Nature and Science Center.